Hello everybody, I am Soumyadeep Choudhury. I was under Prakash sir's guidance in Impulse JEE for 2 years. Besides regular tests and doubt clearing sessions, sir always made it a point to teach us newer methods and innovative tricks to solve questions in the least possible time. Most importantly, sir always advised us to focus on all the subjects equally. With sir's guidance, I have secured an All India rank of 429 in the Neet UG examination 2021 and an AIR of 314 in the Kvpy essay exam. I have also qualified both the levels of the NTSC exam and the JBNSTS exam. I would advise all future aspirants to seek Prakash sir's mentorship so that you can not only achieve your goal but also learn to fall in love with the subject of physics. Thank you, Impulse JEE.